Hello and welcome. So this tutorial is for anyone who have had the email from Amazon saying that you need to update your tax information. So I just want to do this quick tutorial to show you exactly what you need to do so that you are able to respond to that email. First thing first is that it is not something to panic about. It's actually a very simple process. So what you need to do is log into your Amazon KDP account. Like you can see that I am currently logged in. Then you come to this part where you see your account. So you click on your account, and then depending on your own account, sometimes it may at this point send you an OTP, um, either to your mobile phone or your email, or it will require you to put the OTP from your Google Authenticator app. That's if you're using that, you already know what I'm saying. So once you are here on your account section, what you just need to do is to scroll all the way down to this part where you see update slash access tax profile. That's what you just need to do. And it's a very simple process. Just click on that, and you're going to see an information like this, right? So what you need to do is to scroll down and come to this part where you see update tax profile. You click on it. Mine does not have that message. So while you're working on yours, if you see anything that is a bit different, just note the buttons I'm asking you to click. So those are the areas you also need to click. Now, what you just need to do at this point is to just take the tax interview again. Just take the tax interview again. So at this point, getting started, what is your tax classification? You click on individual. Well, it depends on how your account was set up. If yours was set up as a business account, then go ahead and click on business and continue the process that way. But I know most people's profile are set up as individual, so I'm going to be doing this mainly for that. Individual, are you a US state, are you a United States citizen? You click no if you are not from the US. If you're not a citizen, or you don't have you're not a green card holder, or you're not an alien there in the US, you click on no. But I believe most people who have that issue are. So are you acting as an intermediary agent? No, you click on no as well. Now your full name, tax information, you put your full name, the country of your citizenship, you put your particular country, right? You put your particular country. If you're from Nigeria, you select Nigeria, and so on. So, but just select Nigeria for this part. United, um, the country of your citizenship, where you have citizenship, select that place, Nigeria. Then country of your residence. This is now where you put where you are currently located. You put where you're currently located here. I'm currently at the United Kingdom, and that's why my information is right now in the United Kingdom, right? So you put your information, your address, the city, the region, and your postcode, right? Scroll down. This part that asks for your mailing address. If where you currently reside is where they can send emails to, you also just select that. Just select that. Tax identification number. If you have a non-US team, you click on this button. For most people from Nigeria and other third world countries, you do not have a tax identification number. So you uncheck that. You just uncheck it like that. Right? When you uncheck it like that, so you will see that it will show these options like this. You will see it says, why are you not able to provide a TIN? All you need to do is to just come here and select this part that says, I could not have not obtained TIN from my local authorities because of other reasons. Just select that option like this, come down and click on continue. So when you click on continue, it will ask you to save and preview. Click on save and preview, right? Now you scroll all the way down, and you check this button like this, and then you type in your full name. as it is on your account. Just go and type in your full name as it is on your account, right? And then all you need to do is to click on submit form. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll go ahead and submit the form. However, I have a tax information being in the UK. So I just want to submit it then just to show you what it looks like. So click on submit form. Click on submit form like this. And you see that it will say validated here, applicable withholding rate 30%. All you need to now do is to click on exit interview, and that email you usually receive at this point would have already disappeared. So you see something like this. You show task in questionnaire completed. It shows all this information. United States withholding rate, blah blah blah. You just click on save here. Click on save like this. And once you click on save, your account will be fully set up, and that is all you need to do. So I want you to try this out on your own. Reach back to me if you have any challenge, if you have if you see any discrepancy between what you're looking at and what I've just done. Feel free to reach out to me, and I'll try my best to see how I can further guide you on what you need to do. So for now, I'm going to stop this video and wish you all the best. I remain at Amazon, and it's my pleasure creating more valuable content that helps you move your publishing business forward and also help you achieve success as an author. For now, stay winning. I'll see you on the next video.